In the morning rush, a little puppy sits in the corner, waiting for its owner.
With every train whistle, its eyes reflect both hope and pain. Once, it was the beloved friend of a little boy. It's just a dog, it'll forget. No one understands its pain, no one stops.
Out of my way, Stone! Wah, don't go!
I have to stay here.
But I'm scared!
A stranger came, becoming the light of hope for the little puppy. After care and treatment, it begins to feel the joy of life again.
Love that's lost cannot be regained, but true friendship endures.